Morning Internet, welcome to another adventure. Today, it's just you and I. No, not really. We're on our way to meet up with Kelly again. Right, he's on such a roll. Let's keep it going, man. Let's go for that three-peat. Today he's taking us to another special place that he swears by. We'll see how this one ranks. But the last two, he knocked it out of the park. Took us to Sessions, which I had the best meatball sandwich I've ever had in my life. Then he took us to Costa Mesa, Zanzibar, where I had one of the best carne asada burritos I've had on the channel. So today I asked Kelly where he's taking us, and he said pizza. We're going to Anthony's Pizza and Pasta in Corona. He's got his eye on the Stromboli. I'll tell you a little bit more about that as we get down the road. Go up here, man. I like it up here. It's kind of weird being able to look up and see the blue sky, man. California's on fire, so the last 2 weeks we hadn't seen the sky. We just seen the smoke, red sun, haze. It's crazy. I haven't really been watching the news much. Maybe they got it all put out. Maybe the wind just shifted. Yeah, it's been a while since we had pizza on this channel, man. I love pizza. So when Kelly suggested pizza, I'm in, man. 100%. And the place we're going to, it's called Anthony's Pizza and Pasta. It's one of the higher ranked pizza spots in all Corona. There are quite a few, believe it or not. Corona likes their pizza. From what I can tell, it's a family-owned restaurant. Been around since 1988. And from reading all the reviews of this place, not only do I gotta try some of their pizza, I gotta get a Stromboli. And guess what? They got a Philly cheesesteak Stromboli. And you know I gotta try that. Except it comes with mushrooms. We're gonna ditch the mushrooms out of that bitch. Before we get too far along in the video, I want to thank all the patrons. Appreciate y'all, man. You help me keep this thing going. I see you. A lot of you people inquire about the music that I listen to. I listen to a bunch of shit, man, but right now, at this very particular moment, I'm listening to a local band of Orange County called the Bastard Monarchs. Local punk rock band doesn't take themselves too serious at all. Just kind of make fun of everything. Yeah, I was talking about the TV show 90210 that I'm listening to. It's pretty funny. Jared said I'll put a link to them in the description of the video. Do some 87 today. Oh, accidentally hit the 89. All right. Oh, I forgot to spill something for the homies. Next time, bros. Kelly.
What's up, man?
You're on a roll, buddy. Let's go for that three-peat. Where are we going today? Pizza?
You're 100% gonna go 3 for 3 today.
100%.
Anthony's Pizza in Corona. They have too many good things there for us to try them all today, but we're about to get weird. Yeah, the meatball sub's really good, but they're a pizza place, and their pizza's really good, so we got to get the pizza. And then they also got Stromboli. I actually haven't tried.
They've got a Philly cheesesteak Stromboli.
That's what we need to go for.
Yeah. Minus mushrooms. Let's go exploring. Give Kelly a camera, see what he gets us. Welcome back. White line races, man. I live by these things. Rematch. That was a good race. Here it is, Anthony's Pizza. All right, man, we're here. Look at that, we got a seat that just opened up. We're in business. Let's get in. Kelly, another home run, man.
Come on, do you even have to ask?
Anthony's Pizza.
I mean, the pizza's good. I've had a sub here before and that was good, but that Stromboli knocks it out of the park.
I'm really bummed we didn't get the meatball sandwich, but it would have been too much food, too much waste.
I've already got a backpack full of extra right now because we carb loaded today. This is not the place to come if you're on a keto diet.
We got two things. Well, we got three things. We got their bread, which was free, pepperoni pizza, and their cheesesteak Stromboli.
Yeah.
Out of the three, what was the winner?
My pick is the cheesesteak Stromboli, but don't let that detract from how good the pizza and breadsticks are.
The cheesesteak Stromboli was a little bit better than the pizza, but not by much at all. That pizza was really good.
Yeah.
I'll be back, man. This is a good spot. You're on a roll, man. This is 3 for 3.
You know who you're talking to.
I know, but it kind of pisses me off because I hit fails all the time.
Just because I'm skinny, don't think I don't know how to eat good food.
I need you to find a 4th place.
I got plenty of spots backed up for you, so we'll definitely find another one. You're just going to have to watch the next episode.
All right, man. We're going to ride dirt bikes on Sunday.
Hell yeah, we are.
All right, dude. If you guys aren't subscribed yet to my dirt bike channel, go over there, man.
Check it out.
It's all fails, though. It's all fails. All struggles.
We succeed in failing.
Good day out on the bike, man. Always a good day on the bike, man. It's hard not to have fun. I want to thank all those that stuck with me for this long in the video. You guys are the best, man. Also the patrons. Thank you so much. Your support totally helps. I'm lucky to have you. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button if you haven't yet. Subscribe. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. That car is sick. Also, please support the channel partners. You know who they are. Best companies in the world, man. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, just look at them first, man. That's it. Consider them first. All right, we're going to read some comments from a recent video, Sans Safar. First one, Richard Crossley. No more making Z run down the road to bump start. It's a good calorie burn for the meals.
It's not wrong.
All right, yeah, fair enough. Somehow that got top comment. Next one from the Gorilla Biker. You are a patient man. I had to push start my bike 3 times, and that was it. Had to get a new battery. That burnout through the tunnel was class. Yay, a new battery. Food looked delicious, to be fair. Recently moved to a spot that has no burrito. What? How do you gotta move out of there, man.
Yeah,
If you can't get a burrito within 5 minutes of where you live, you gotta go.
I'd live in a place that didn't have running water before I lived in a place that didn't have burritos.
Fair statement. Medium rare, fully. For real, which salty boy dislikes this video before it even started? I know it. Somehow I had a dislike on this video before anybody even saw it. We got Brian Connor. Who the f only watches half of a sub D video? Isn't that illegal? It is a ticketable offense in my book.
It's a ticketable offense. Definitely a ticketable
offense. All right, Paul. Paul's been a subscriber for a long time. Good man. Nothing like a good sub D video with some chat interactions before going to work. That's because I've been doing these video premieres. I'll log on about 30 minutes before the video is released, and I just kind of have a conversation with everybody in the comments section.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
a little bit. Feels good, man. Anyway, Paul's always there. It's always good to see Paul. Let's read one more, man. At 8:05, I was the one honking, and my girlfriend next to me is like, "Who's that?" And I was like, "It's me being a fanboy."
He was actually in the video honking?
Maybe you remember this. When we pulled into that restaurant, there was some dude honking,